ज्ञान होता है
एक
उनको लोग पागल ही समझते हैं.
Good evening to each and everyone. Welcome you to what? A printing market. Just in the office of Mr. Vishal. One of the young lady, the India of tomorrow, it not sir, looking very nice, very smart, and actually beyond expectation like that. I simply wanted to bring her beyond, not beyond, beyond even beyond and within camera like that. You can see. The another question here is that so far as we people are concerned, we are likely to live maybe for a few days, a few years. We are like just, you can say, ripen mango. Any moment we are likely to. Yeah, yeah. तब कैसे होगा तो फिर नहीं नहीं एक मिनट वो नहीं वो कुछ नहीं होगा उसमें है ना अच्छी खराब की बात नहीं है. Now this girl simply tells she is mass media manager, social media social media manager or marketing, social media marketing. Now first thing is there, what is media?
The way of communication.
Way of communication, or you can say mass communication, the persons who are a representative of press, this and that thing.
It's a kind of the way of
Yeah.
communication. You can tell you something to another person.
So don't you think there's some specialization is there? Maybe you go to a doctor earlier, one doctor was just actually treating almost all the thing. Now eye specialists are there, stomach specialists are there, cardiologists are there. Similarly, in the same way, media has got like print media, or you can say the business media, sports media like that, and your social media. Then other things are there. When you look at the TV, same things are actually being repeated time and again, nearly from morning to evening or even tomorrow. We don't say in the name of thing. Social media is right now somewhat important in the sense even Prime Minister looks at it, you can say. The video I make, don't you think that video is also being seen maybe because of that reason things and resources are coming to the park and that park is becoming somewhat lipstick like that. It not sir. Yeah. Am I correct? Or you can say Budi Ghodi Lal Lagam. Budi Ghodi Lal Lagam that. Budi Ghodi Lal Lagam, old park is there. There was nothing done for the last 15 years or whatsoever things are. Right now it is being painted just on the old construction. Is it not Budi Ghodi Lal Lagam? Something you have actually just written there. You must have made it to be whitewashed, and after that some paint was made to be. After that some sort of painting was to be made. You did nothing, only something wrote. This shows it over that you had eaten up the very amount that was sanctioned for the very purpose. Am I correct? अब थोड़ा हिंदी में भी आते हैं. हिंदी इसलिए कि बहुत से ऐसे हैं जिनको हिंदी समझ में आती है. वो जो बोलते हैं कि आप इंग्लिश बोलना बंद कर दो, आप वीडियो बनाना बंद कर दो, आप सफाई बंद ऐसे कर. आज से 10 साल के बाद कैसा हिंदुस्तान देखना चाहती हो? What about your vision about India after 10 years?
Very clean. जो छोटी-छोटी cities हैं, जो छोटी-छोटी areas हैं, I guess वो develop हों. So मैं ऐसा भारत देखना चाहूँगी.
Can you give some example?
Yeah, you can see the Uttamnagar areas and the Matialas areas. In the rainy season, there are very loopholes over there. So मैं चाहती हूँ कि आज से आने वाले 10 साल में जो मिनिस्टर सिर्फ और सिर्फ इंडिया में सिर्फ बाहरी चीज़ों को ठीक करते हैं, आई वुड लाइक टू से कि उन लोगों को यहाँ आके भी ये एरिया को ठीक करवाना चाहिए.
अच्छा, सबसे पहले एक बात मैं पूछना ही भूल गया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू गिव योर इंट्रोडक्शन लाइक दैट. कोई बात नहीं, अभी तो पूछा ही नहीं, कैसे होगा, बताओ. कुछ नहीं है. Okay, so guys,
I'm Shivani and recently I just quit my job and I was a project manager over there and I started my own startup, just small startup of tiffin services. So I'm here to give you the dinner. So
you can just 1 minute. Walking, I will just take it separately for real sake. You don't share. Yeah. Real. Then another question here is that what about your qualification? From where did you start and where did you finish?
Okay, so I'm graduate from BCom and I'm graduate from Delhi University. This is my qualification.
Delhi University.
That's right. So
I think you are second girl who just spoke English to English. Otherwise, most of them actually just get themselves to be second like that. One of the girl doing BCom, she has got a big dream, you can see her, and I simply want to say to her that I will just join some feather to your dream. Maybe with motivation, maybe with some sort of financial help, whatsoever things are like that.
I was not good in maths.
Yeah. Listen, please.
I quit.
Yeah. Then now you have just out of 100%, 99 becomes servant, 1 becomes master, and you are actually adopting second one, to be becoming master. Whatsoever business is there, then now you talk about, I think, neatness and cleanliness, tidiness like that. I tell my men are actually dirty in two ways. One way, the debris of the home throws on the road, and throws on the public places. They are dirty, and sometimes you are carrying the history of 4,000 years ago. This caste, that caste, this upper, lower, like that. Is it not so that you are actually making the manipulation of the mind of the very person? You are dirty. I wonder. One day I told a person, you are distributing this BD to the very young generation. What are you doing? You are killing them. You are making them criminal. You are making them to be the burden of the very nation like that. Don't do that like that. 4,000 years ago, were we there? We don't know. Had we been there? Do you remember? No. You have to make India to be really supposed to be developed. In what way? In almost all the respect. Almost all the respect. Suppose you go to gym, you are simply making the hand like this and your hand will be fed whatever the other portion of the body. You are talking about the diplomacy about the foreign country, but your country is actually suffering from hunger. Not to speak of that, a kind of the habit you have gained. What is the habit of free things? And now they have become beggar. They are not doing any sort of thing. Every day in the park, somebody will come and just tell it about that, Mr. Jha, can you give me 100 rupee, can 200, 30 rupee, 20 rupee. So what is it here? They know it about that he will give. But right now I simply just restricted. Restricted in the sense if I know that, suppose you require 10 rupee every day, but I want to make you know how to earn 10 rupee. Not every day I would like to give you 10 rupee. This is what I do. After that, now you started your business, no problem. And I am talking about... So now the question here is that in most of the cases, एक दो मिनट में ख़त्म कर लेंगे हम. एक और भी मैं टैगलाइन बनाया, इसको सुनो, ये सबके फ़ायदे के लिए. Maybe you, maybe Mr. This Vishal, or maybe this particular... No, not you can say Silok. Silok money lender, is it not so? Silok, you must be knowing, na? Any of the person who is actually doing this money lending, they are actually compared with that of the Silok. Silok you must have read particularly one of the Shakespearean drama, है ना? तो अब यहाँ पे एक सवाल उठता है कि सबको चिंता है, और यहाँ पे मैं कबीर दास को थोड़ा सा कोट करता हूँ, उसके बाद यहाँ झा दास को कोट कर दूँगा. कबीर दास ने क्या कहा था? रहीमन निजमन की व्यथा मन ही राखो गोय, सुन इट नहीं है लोग सब मट न सकिए कोई. लेकिन मैंने इसको चेंज कर दिया. वो तो कबीर दास का टाइम था, अभी तो मोदी दास का टाइम है, ये क्या शिवानी दास का टाइम है, ये विशाल दास का टाइम है. क्या है भाई, क्या है? रहीमन निजमन की व्यथा बता दियो सब कोई, मस्तिष्क दबाव ना रहे, हार्ट फेल ना हो. अब किसको बताओगे? यंग हो, अपने लाइक नहीं कोई मिल रहा है. पार्क में गए, पार्क में पेड़ को पकड़ा, हेलो माय डियर प्लांट, when Jagdish Chandra Basu can talk to you, why can't I? You go on talking, you release your problem, certainly there will not be any heart fail like that. तो इस तरह से समाज को भी मदद किया जा सकता है. सकते हो तो किसी भी हेल्प कर दो. इसका हेल्प करने का मतलब ये नहीं होता अपना हम गला काट ले, पैर काट ले. जैसे तुमने बताया ना कि अब मुफ्त में क्यों पढ़ाते हो, ये तो हमारा हॉबी है ना. अच्छा, एक दिन मैं IAS कोचिंग में भी जाके दिन भर क्लास लिया, फिर बोलता महीने में 4 दिन. हमने कहा उतना हमारे पास समय नहीं, 4 दिन है ना. हाँ, लेकिन अगर मिलेगा तो मैं ज़रूर जाऊँगा. हाँ,
तो फिर आप अगर मदद करें फिर आपको तो जाना चाहिए 4 दिन.
लेकिन फिर
एक दिन मदद करके क्या?
नहीं, एक दिन उसने मुझे बुलाया था जज करने के लिए. जज करने समझती हो, जैसे मान लो अभी अनलेस अनटिल आई वुड हैव टॉक टू यू. आइए, विशाल के पास ही कोई बैठा था, है ना. अभी तो तुम याद करोगे सर्टेनली, मैं भी चाहे जो जैसे भी याद करोगे, है ना. एक मिला था, पागल मास्टर मिला था, है ना. चलो, अब यहाँ पे इसको हम विन करेंगे. विन करने के बाद तुम्हें धन्यवाद, कोटि धन्यवाद, थैंक्स यू. यहाँ बोलता है मिलियन ऑफ थैंक्स. अरे मिलियन ऑफ गिन सकते हो, इतना थैंक्स क्यों बोलते हैं? इतने दो जो पच जाए ना. दिस मच एंड वेलकम यू टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल डॉक्टर प्रकाश चंद्र राजा. यू कैन गिव मी फीडबैक. और मुझे एडिटिंग करने नहीं आता है, जो जैसे है वैसे ही रहता है ना. लोग पसंद करते हैं उसको, क्योंकि सच लोगों को चाहिए, ठीक ना. दिस मच, थैंक यू.